Hi everyone, my name is Krishnamohan and I created a new project called AquaCruise, which is a cruise online booking using React and Vite Tailwind CSS. And first now I have created a login page, registration page and forgot password page. And before we dive into it, let's see what and all I've used. And in login page we have a top navbar and then center a form to sign your account. That is what is your email and password, and below I have navbar. And in registration page we have your name, your email and your phone number and your password. And in password I have used the case statement, that is you have to satisfy a specific condition, then only your password will be accepted. In forgot password page you have to just type your email and we will send a code to your email directly and you can reset the password there.